Hi, I'm Dr. Christina Hibbert, and this is 3-Minute Therapy. I want to talk a little bit about siblings and grief. Of all the articles and blog posts I've ever written on my website, drchristinahibbert.com, by far the most popular have been those about siblings and grief, because unfortunately there aren't a lot of resources for siblings. When a child dies or a sibling dies, an older adult sibling, there's a lot of focus on the parents and or the surviving children. And of course, that should be the way it is. But we mustn't forget the siblings are experiencing their own great loss. One of my favorite quotes that I think is so true is that when a child dies, you lose the future. When a parent dies, you lose the past. And when a sibling dies, you lose the past and the future. Going through sibling loss is a painful experience, but it can be amplified even more when parents or other family members don't acknowledge the grief that you are feeling as a sibling. I want you to know that as a 2-time sibling loss survivor, I lost my youngest sister to cancer when she was 8, and I lost my closest sister, just younger than I am, about 10 years ago to an overdose of Tylenol and alcohol. Through those experiences, I have learned that our grief does matter. I know what it feels like to feel like you have to shelf your grief in order to focus on helping your parents heal, in order to focus on helping other people heal, children heal. But your grief matters. You loved your sibling, and you will always love them. And while it may take some time to overcome the immediate impact of their loss on you, I like to think of it as holes. They leave holes in us that don't ever fully close. They're there, and they might ache and hurt for a while. But with grief work, and you can find my video on how to grieve to help you through that, and with time, and you can find my video on how long does it take to grieve to help you with that, the holes do stop hurting so much. But you will still love and remember your sibling. You will still have days where you'll wake up and wish they were there. You will still have moments where you wish that you could be experiencing those things together. And that's exactly as it should be because you love them. It can help to educate parents, other family members, and friends on the fact that siblings really do need their time and attention and their grief process. That it can't always be about deferring to parents or children or others, that everyone's grief process must be acknowledged, and that can be really helpful in healing as well. There's much more we can say, but if you want to learn more, please visit my website, drchristinahibbert.com, and my articles on siblings and grief, and my other 3-minute therapy videos. Until next time, I hope that you can remember your sibling lovingly, and remember that love is what makes grief. So if we're grieving, it means that we really did care, and that's a good thing.